In this video, we'll show you what to do if your HP laptop speaker is making a crackling sound. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then go to device manager. In the device manager window, you need to scroll down to sound, video and game controllers section. Here you need to find your audio driver. In most cases, it will be Realtek audio. Simply right click on it and then choose update driver. Now here you need to select browse my computer for drivers. Now select let me pick. Now select high definition audio device and then click on next to install it. Once you have installed the driver, restart your HP laptop and see if the issue is resolved. If you still experience the same problem, go to the search menu and then type in edit power plan. Now select the first result. In here, click on this change advanced power settings. Now here expand PCI Express. Now expand link state power management and set both these options to moderate power savings. Once you have done this, hit apply followed by OK. Next, what you need to do is right click on the speaker icon on the taskbar and then choose sound settings. Now scroll down and then click on more sound settings. Under the playback tab, select your speaker and then click on properties. Here you need to go to this enhancements tab and then click on disable all enhancements option. Now hit apply. If nothing else works, however, what you need to do is go to this levels tab, click on balance and then set one of the left or right speaker all the way to 0. So what this will do is turn off one of the speakers and help you test the other one. So in my case, I'm turning off the left speaker. So this will help me test the right speaker. Once I've done this, I need to play something on my HP laptop. This will help me identify if this right speaker is working properly or not. If it's working properly, what I can do is go to the balance tab again, enable the left speaker and then disable the right one. Now click on OK. Now I'll again play something on my HP laptop. This will help me identify if the left speaker is crackling. Once you find the faulty speaker, what you need to do is turn it off and then turn on the speaker that's working properly. So your laptop sound won't be as loud as before, but hopefully you will be able to get a decent sound out of it. This is a workaround if you don't want to replace the speaker. Of course, it's best to replace the speaker actually so that you don't have to do this balancing thing again.